Hi from me, Bernie B and Hamilton's. Over the last few years, there's been a big structural shift from solvent-based coatings to water-based coatings. We're seeing a lot more water-based primers for various surfaces and amazing top coats like water-based enamels, which was unheard of in the past. And this is not just this evolution is not just a niche trend for eco-friendly brands, but I think it's becoming the global standard as we progressively move forward in this paint industry. And brushes are starting to evolve as well. Now, the evolution of paint brushes for water-based coatings is a story of moving away from tradition to embrace chemical engineering. For centuries, natural hair was king, but the rise of modern acrylics and latex paints required a complete rethink of brush anatomy. So please welcome Hamilton's SilkPro range, which at the moment is carving out a serious reputation, specifically because they tackle the unique personality of modern water-based paints. Okay, not only does a SilkPro brush work well with water-based, but you can use it with solvent-based coatings as well on smooth to medium textured surfaces. And this brush provides a silky smooth finish with minimal streaking and brush marks. Chalk paint is notorious for being thick and heavy. Now the Silk Pro offers a different kind of beauty. It levels the paint beautifully, reducing the heavy, ropey brush marks often associated with chalk paint. Now the application of a water-based varnish, this is where the Silk Pro truly shines. These bristles hold a nice amount of the clear coat and it distributes it evenly without brush marks. It almost looks like it's been sprayed on. Wicker is a nightmare for cheap brushes because of the rough texture. It chews the bristles. Now the flexibility of the Silk Pro allows the bristles to flick into the deep crevices of the wicker weave without you having to jam the brush in. Now painting kitchen cupboard doors with water-based enamel is the ultimate test of a brush because water-based enamels dry quickly, so you need a brush that can lay paint down fast and flat, and this is precisely what the Silk Pro does. So get that brush that's easy to clean, has minimal bristle loss, and gives you a silky smooth finish. Yes, that's Hamilton's Silk Pro range of brushes. That's it from me, Bernie B, and Hamilton's, and the perfect finish.